So this is going to be the last video for a week or so. And the only reason I say that is because I went from like a couple weeks of no videos to a bunch of videos, so I'm going to let those videos sit there for a while. So what I'm doing today is Hoover Bagless versus Hoover Convertible and the ultimate dust pickup. Now there's dust, there's some carpet fibers, but there's also some tiny pieces of, what is it, drywall. I picked out all the big giant pieces, so only the tinier pieces will get through. But there's some lint, there's a lot of dust, but most people will go and they'll like grind it in with their foot. But just to give it an even harder challenge, I'm going to use this Shetland polisher to super deeply embed all the dirt and dust. And I'll go over it on one side with the Hoover Convertible, one side with the Hoover Bagless twin chamber. And then hopefully my next video of any bagless vacuum will be of some sort of cyclonic vacuum, or possibly two, with an unboxing. So I hope you're sitting on the edge of your seat for those, because those should be my next few vacuum, or the next vacuum that I get. I will ask this question before this video starts. For a tiny vacuum, I want either the Hoover, the Hoover Sprint Quick Vac or the Hoover Nano Cyclonic. Which do you guys recommend? And with that, leave that down in the comments, please. And now let's get to super deeply embedding all this dust, dirt, and debris. Okay, well that's getting a little dusty for the Shetland, but it's gone around quite a bit. Just to add on to it, might as well. So there's the Shetland's embedding. There's my foot embedding, and it looks like the carpet has absorbed a lot of this dirt deep into the pile. So anybody here possible synergy follow-up? But back to this low carpet setting for low carpet, and I hope the filter doesn't clog up and blow dust in my face. But with that, let's get a pass done with the Hoover. I'm going to do one forward, one back, and I'm just going to stop at that. So it picked up some stuff in there. I was actually seeing quite a bit, being that this was dust. Quite a bit of dust is spinning around in the secondary twin chamber. But floor results, not too thrilling, not horrid. We have a big chunk of dog hair. That's where the actual belt is. But going through, there's a chunk there, there's some pet hair here, stuff here, stuff over here towards the edge. It's from here over, all this stuff. There's a lot of dust left where the belt is, but you can see underneath it has like those strengthening retainers for the brush, like underneath it on the base plate, and you can see all where it's left dust because of that. But it's done a fairly decent job. But now let's see what the trusty Hoover convertible will do. This is on low pile carpet setting, and I'll throw some cord off, and we'll do a vacuum. So we'll turn it on, let the bag inflate, and keep going from there. Now, there's lots of vacuums in the way, but cord's in the way. So I will say I saw this happen when I pulled it back. It bumped these onto the cleaner's track. But let's see what we got here. We went through. There's some stuff here, a little bit right here. There's a big chunk left right here of just little stuff. Came up to about right here. But all in all, the carpet colors themselves look more vibrant over here than they do right here. You can definitely see that on camera. So I guess that means that the Hoover convertible did a better one-pass job at cleaning. Now I will say that the reason that I believe this to be true is because A, it has a simpler air path, being that it's bagged, and that it does have beater bars. So let's pick up what this bagless couldn't pick up, and we'll be done with this video. So there's just some bigger chunks left that I wouldn't want any of my direct airs to pick up. So all in all, I'd say the Hoover convertible did a better job, but I will let you guys decide. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to put your comment down on the bottom. Should I get the Hoover Sprint Quick Vac or the Hoover Nano Cyclonic? Both are small dual cyclonic Hoovers. But I think it'd just be nice to have A, cyclonic, and B, small vacuum to have just for quick cleanups. So, in case you don't know, the Quick Vac has height adjustment, but the Nano has a brush roll you can shut off. That's pretty much the only differences between the two. So, down in the description would be, I would appreciate it, and I will probably be getting one of the two by the 10th. So this is the first. So I'm going to give my video about 10 days to crop up as much results as I can, and then I'll go out and pick it up. So thanks for watching, and have a good day.